I was hoping to show my train doing a full circuit, as I've got a new JCV Vera camcorder. As you can see, it's a lot clearer than my other one, and you don't get all the, but we can have a bit of a goes to there and stops. So the one side of the table's working, but the one side of the table's working. Focusing. One side of the table is working, but I've decided I'm going to strip out all the old wiring and redo it all properly, because it's just, come round here and show. And just a maze of wires and stuff I've pulled down. I don't think I need as many as I've got. They're all different lengths and everything. But I bought some better wire, and hopefully that'll make it a bit easier for me to sort out. Got a new multimeter that does continuity, so I can check if the rails are connected properly. That'll be a big help. Also with the sorry, just got this, not very used to it, keep touching things. Yeah, that'll help with testing that the rails are connected properly. As I've found over there, one of the rails, there's no power going through, but goes through on the other side, so that'll have to be sorted. Anyway, that's my update with my new camcorder. Well, it's not new, second-hand camcorder, but as you can see, it's a lot clearer and it don't shake all over the place when I move about, and there's none of that sort of weirdness. Anyway, thanks for watching, and this has all got to go away now because it's Friday, and so that'll be all the wiring pulled out. Anyway, have a nice weekend. I'll see you on Monday.